Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to create a ringtone for your iPhone. About a year ago I did one for creating a ringtone using a Windows platform. Now that I've upgraded to the Mac platform, I'm going to show you how to create a ringtone on your Mac for your iPhone. The first thing to do would be to go down here and purchase a program called Pocket Mac Ringtone Studio. Now this program will run you about $30. However, it's well worth every penny of it. After about the fifth or sixth ringtone you make, you go, gosh, I wish I had this information before. The first thing to do is to drag and drop any file. It doesn't matter if it's a audio file or a video file. The audio files that it will convert are MP3s, WAV, and MP2s that I know of. It may do more. I'm sure it probably will. These guys are really great in figuring all this stuff out and making it so it's so easy for anybody to use with any type of file. Now, for video files, it will allow you to import your MOV files, AVI files, MPG files, MPEG files, MP4s, and even FLVs, which are just strictly YouTube downloads. For the first one I'm going to import over here is a MP3 file. Nope, this is not. This is a MOV file from Saving Grace, which I happen to like this year. So I'll drag it over there, drop it on there, and then it switches over. There we go. And because it's a video file, it shows the video and also the audio portion down here. Now I can click on the go button here and start going through the file and stop it where the ringtone is going to start, and then make a note of that and watch what happens. Okay, so right about there is where I want to start, and back it up. I'm thinking it's probably going to be right there. Okay, so now once I put the line in here by clicking on that, I can then click on the line itself with the cursor, and notice it changes colors as I drag and drop it over here, or just drag it. And when I do that, the color will stay there. And then in version 1.0, I believe it was 30 seconds or less. Version 2.0, firmware version 2.0, it increased it up to 40 seconds. Now, I've had really good success with anything below 39 seconds. And I'll show you how to find out how long your ringtone is going to be in just a minute here when it gets to the end. Oop, too far probably. Right in there probably. So there we go, right there. And then now with this portion here highlighted, if I click on this checkbox here, play selection only, it will only play the selection that I've highlighted for my ringtone, which is very good, because then you can see if the portion that you set up as a ringtone is what you want as a ringtone. So pretty, no so cold, got a heart full of gold on the road. She said, I mean, thank the God you saved me. Am I getting around? Am I losing ways? Am I lost and found my saving grace? Thankful for the gift my angels gave me. And I want a little bit more, so what I'll do is see how it changes to a plus sign. So I'll put it right there, and then I'll drag it over here a little bit more to get that. And there we go, that sounds good. And then click on that again.
So pretty, no so old, got a heart full of gold on the road. She said, I don't even thank the God who saved me. Am I gaining ground? Am I losing days? Lost and found my saving grace. Thankful for the gift my angels gave me.
Okay, there you go. So then here you've got fade in and fade out checkboxes if you want to use fade in and fade out before your ringtone. Sometimes it's kind of good if you're going to be at work or something. You don't want to disturb people and hopefully catch it before it gets too loud. Use the fade in portion at least. And then once you got the, or you can also, you notice that when we listened to it, the sound was not that great. It wasn't as loud. So then you can go over here to the sound button, and then you can adjust the sound a little bit. I'll move it up to about there. You say apply, and then change, convert file. Yeah, change volume. There we go. And notice now it's only showing the audio portion, and it's gotten much louder, much higher, and louder.
So pretty, no so old, got a heart full of gold on the road. She said, I don't even thank the God who saved me. Am I gaining ground? Am I losing days? Lost and found my saving grace. Thankful for the gift my angels gave me.
Okay, could probably make that a little bit shorter, but hey, this is just a demo. The next thing is you go up here, you see cancel. If you hit cancel, it's going to go back to the beginning. You saw it with the where I started with the bell and everything to import my files, audio or video files. Then the other option is to click on create, and when I do that, it's going to then put it in, it's going to convert the file and put it into the ringtone directory in iTunes, and it does this all automatically. Now usually what you would have to do is you would have two steps to go from this point here. One I think is it creates a M4A, and then you would have to manually convert the M4A extension to an M4R so that it puts it into the ringtone directory. Well, it does. This program does all of that for you. It is so cool and so great. Okay, so let's see here. There we go. Create. It's going to go through the converting process, creating ringtone. It's a success. And now it's going to be in my iTunes ringtone section. So I'm going to go over here, bring up iTunes. And my ringtone section, it was TV. There we go, TV, theme, music, saving, and there was Grace after that. I can change it here if I wanted to. There we go. Let's see here. Info. There we go, saving Grace, and I can also make this ringtone. There we go. Okay, so now notice that it automatically put the checkbox in there. Now when it does that, when I sync it, it's going to automatically go to my iPhone so that I can assign it to whoever I wanted the ringtone to be. All I have to do is hit sync button, and I'll just go over there and sync. And it will sync up the files. Okay, and hopefully that answers any questions you might have. If you need any other instructions or if you have any feedback, please send me feedback, and we'll catch you later. And I sure appreciate it. You guys have a great day.